So when I went to the wrecking yard that day, I got a lot of really good Mustang parts, and one of the things I got was a set of IUP, or Interior Upgrade Package, headrests. And these were a cloth set that were in a V6 Mustang, but the neat thing about these is that the GTs came with them too as an option, and some of the V6 cars had them as an option, but they make reproduction covers for these now. Like TMI makes really nice reproduction Mach 1 Cobra bullet seats, but they only make the leather covers. They don't make the foam. They do make the foam for the seats, but they don't make the foam for the headrests, from what I've been told. From what everyone's told me, you cannot get the foam anymore. So these headrests were great to grab just because of that, at least. And I wanted to get them. They have the four-way adjustable brackets and everything that slide down into the headrest, and so I really wanted to get these, and I didn't want to leave the wrecking yard without them. Now, unfortunately, it was really dirty, and I was just covered head and toe with transmission fluid, and my hands were filthy, and so I got them a little dirty getting them out, because at the least I was going to get them for the brackets and the foam and just get a set of leather covers and then have another set of IUP headrests. But then when I got home, I realized I have a set of cloth seats that I'm wanting to put in this car. I should just put them in the car the way they are, so I can have a set of IUP headrests back in this car. And this car actually was an interior upgrade package car originally, and it had leather seats with the IUP headrests on them, and so it's nice to give this car a little bit of its dignity back. So here are the headrests. You can see I have the foam off and I have the covers off, and so you can see how dirty they got with me trying to get them off. I felt bad about that, but they do clean up nicely, and so I got a bucket of water with some Simple Green, and I just hand washed them really nicely and wrung them out and cleaned them up nicely, and obviously took them off, and now they look good as new. I'm very happy with these. And I take the coat hanger and I stick it down underneath the little plastic bracket there, and you put them down together. I have a video on how to do that, but there we go. They're in, and now they look fantastic, and I did do the other side too. So that's the update for now. I have a set of IUP headrests in my Mustang GT in the cloth seats, and I really like them. I'm very happy. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more of this build and more Mustang stories and all the other content on the channel. Thanks for watching.